So, good morning, sunshines. Today is Vlogmas day 3, and it's December 3rd. No, 2nd. Today's December 2nd, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And Madison's been up since 8 o'clock, and it's now 10:20. My husband is home for lunch. He's over there in the kitchen prepping lunch, and I haven't had breakfast yet, so I'm just trying to get this little girl to go to sleep, and she wants nothing to do with that. I still have to do laundry from when I said I was going to do laundry yesterday. I have to clean up my house because tomorrow is Sabbath in our household, because we go to church on Saturday. So I want to make sure my house is clean for Sabbath, but if it doesn't happen, it just doesn't happen, because life with a newborn is unpredictable. Right? Right? Like, see, now she's getting ready to cry. She's been eating since 8 a.m. and she's never filled where she feel like, okay, I'm going to go take a nap. No. Look at my husband. Him and his daughter, his 2 daughters, are foodies. They just got that gene. Jaxson doesn't care for food. He's a snacker. Yes, he's a snacker. So my husband is supposed to get off early today, so hopefully I can go to the emergency room for this this cough, because it's starting to make my chest hurt. So I don't know if I have some kind of infection going on or something. So I'm gonna go to the emergency room and get that checked out. Also, I have to go get some more socks for her, because she doesn't have newborn socks. She has every other socks but newborn. So I need to get her some newborn socks. And that's it. And I have to go to Walmart. So that's that for the morning. So anyways, I will update you guys later. And I'm gonna go put this little girl down. So see y'all later. As usual. Good morning, sunshine. How you doing? I am Madison, and I am making my mommy miserable today, because guess what? I've been up since 8 a.m. and I'm not going to sleep no time soon. Yes. So, yeah. Yes. My name is Madison. Yes. Yes. Say bye. So my husband has gone back to work, and Madison is down, and it's now 11 a.m. and I'm watching Beautiful Drea's Vlogmas video. So I'm gonna throw those down there. Yeah, I'm watching her vlog. So if you haven't checked her out, go ahead and check out her channel. She has a 1-month-old Mason, and I'm gonna go pump. It's 11 a.m. I'm gonna go pump. While I'm pumping, I'm gonna catch up on a couple more YouTube videos.
I will try to get in your room.
Okay, close the door. And then after I'm done pumping, I have to bathe Gio, get him ready for the bus. Yeah, and then my husband should be home shortly after that, because I have to go get this thing checked out. And yeah, so that's that. So let me get that going before I start the rambling. I haven't even started setting up the pump. I just put the camera down, and look at this. This child is wiggling around, wanting to wake up. So I need to hurry up before she wakes up. So it's 11:50 a.m. I just got up from breastfeeding Madison after struggling for 15 minutes to get 2 ounces of milk from breast pumping. She's over there on the bed wanting more milk, but I have to get Jaxson ready to get him to the bus stop before 12:15. Technically before 12:12, because that's when the bus comes. And she's fussing, so we gotta go. We gotta go. Yeah. So my husband's home. Don't mind that thing in my back, my car. I have to that thing gotta go back to Verizon, but I'm just too lazy to take it back, to ship it back. My husband's home, and he agreed for me to go get my this coffin situation taken care of. So I was thinking of going to the emergency room to get like an x-ray done, because it's bad. It's really bad. Another thing is, I have to go to Salvation Army to go drop off some stuff. I didn't tell him that, but yeah, I figured if I'm gonna go to the emergency room, might as well go take that back. No, not go take it back. I figured I'll go drop those stuff off at the donation center, get it out of the trunk. Because yesterday when I traveled with Maddie, I had to put her stroller in the front seat of my car because my trunk is filled up with donation things. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. And my nails fell off. My nail fell off. This thing. Oh, dang. Sorry guys, so sorry. This nail fell off, so I had to go fix it. And I don't know how much they're gonna charge me to fix it. Probably $5, I don't know. So I'm gonna see you guys later. So yeah, I'll be back. So it's 7:20. Been sitting here for 6 hours. Nothing. I can't figure out why I'm having a cough. So, wasted 6 hours of my life. Oh, Alexis. What's that? I thought you were gonna break. What a waste. So, good morning. So I forgot to end the vlog last night. So, anyways, I think the last thing I was doing was like the emergency room. Nothing happened. They couldn't find anything. It was on diagnosis. So they gave me albuterol. They give you albuterol for everything. Your mama died, take albuterol. You know, I just had a stroke, albuterol. It's always albuterol. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog, and I will see you guys in today's vlog, which is Saturday. So yeah, and if this is for Drea, beautiful Drea, if you're watching this, we pronounce our last name Albornoz, so that's for you. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, subscribe if you're not. Talk to me in the comment section, and I will see you guys later. Bye.